How to use ChatGPT 4 for free. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can use ChatGPT 4 for free. This is the best way to use ChatGPT 4 without paying those $20 per month. Until now I was using ChatGPT artificial intelligence at the standard level. I was getting answers quite hard. These answers were only updated until 2021. After a few questions, ChatGPT forces you to take a break of at least 1 hour. Now ChatGPT 4 or Plus has appeared, in which all the above problems have disappeared, but for all the problems to disappear we will have to pay $20 every month. Today I will show you a method in which we can use ChatGPT 4 without paying those $20. So for that we have to enter Beermoneyforum.com. We have to create an account. It's pretty simple and easy. You just have to follow the indicated steps. Now we have to enter Q&A with BMF bot. Then you have to click on post thread. You have to write your desired questions as you will ask ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT 4 paid from Beermoneyforum. So this is equal to ChatGPT 4. And we will receive the complete and quick answer in a few seconds. And we don't have the limit of questions. That's the most important thing. The answers are much more up to date and well structured if you want to use this method by going on beermoneyforum.com. So another thing, you can go to their site, of course, and here are some ways to earn money on beermoneyforum.com. So you can earn daily 10,000 plus BMF points with beerservice.com. You can also earn 1,000 BMF points per referral. You can earn up to 100 BMF points per new thread, so you can turn these BMF points into dollars by just following these steps right here. You can earn 20 BMF points per new reply, log tutorials, so people must pay BMF points for access. You can also earn 500 points if you report unsolicited private messages. You can redeem codes to earn BMF points for free. You can complete jobs, and also you can complete deals from marketplace that pays you in BMF points. You can earn 10% referral commission per each sale and earn BMF points for watching videos. And if you want to see some reviews and if Beermoneyforum pays, you can also go ahead and see those. There are hundreds and hundreds of messages that you can see that Beermoneyforum is paying. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and see you guys in the next one. You can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Here is the answer from ChatGPT right here. This is how it looks like. It's much better than the standard ChatGPT. You can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and for some more updates about ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.